Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Alright, in the last video we tested the Harbor Freight Predator 1400. We did an unboxing. Now we're going to test it and see exactly what it can run. I got the setup ready. Let's go ahead and fire it up and see what it can run. Harbor Freight got it rated for 1400 starting watts and 1100 running watts. Let's see if we can get that. I think it can. So I got the RPM meter. We're going to be checking the RPMs and the load and see exactly what we can get out of this generator. I think it's going to cut out right at 1,000 or usually the small engine can't handle a lot of load. So got it on. Let's see. Choke. Eco mode off. Mode on. Okay, as you can see on eco mode, it's running right at 3590, 3600 RPMs, putting out 124 volts. Let's turn it off eco mode. Settles about 4250, 4300. Back to eco mode. Real quiet generator. Okay, let's go ahead and put a load on there. Okay. Start walking it up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start the test. Generator's running right around 3600. It's on eco mode right now, so let's go ahead and put a load on it. So we have the load right here. Eco mode. Let's start applying some power. Let's turn that on, and we start applying the power. 300, 600, 1.1, 1.4. Ready to load. It's ready to go. Okay guys, so the generator got all the way up to about 1.2, and then the overload light's gonna kick on, which is what you want it to do anyways. But that's really good that the Harbor Freight Predator 1400 goes all the way up to its rated wattage. That is exactly what we want to see. In order to get the overload light off, you would shut it off. Once you shut it off, you restart it. Okay? Restart it, your light will reset. Pretty cool. Let's go back down to 0. Get it off eco mode. Let's redo the test off eco mode. Start applying power. 500. 1,000. RPM go all the way up. There you go, 1.2 again. So even on eco mode or off eco mode, you get right about 1.2. Overload light will come on. So the Harbor Freight Predator, even though it has a running watt of 1100, you actually have a running watt of 1.2. So that's really good. Okay guys, so we're gonna turn eco mode off to retest the generator. So you can see it's at 4300. We're gonna start applying load. $1,001. Okay. So that was with eco mode off. And okay guys, so we're gonna be testing the sound of the Predator 1400. I'm gonna set it up right about 25 feet and see what we get. Okay, so we're about I'm getting right at 53. Right up to the the 670, right up to the generator. Okay, eco mode off. Jumps up to about 73. .54 is the highest I see. All right, guys. So we just tested the Predator 1400, and I think it passed its test with flying colors. It went all the way up to 1,200 and some change. Real good generator, real quiet generator too. And it's not that heavy. It's really light. So if you're looking for a generator for like tent camping or something you can carry around, boating, anything recreational, tailgating, this will do it for you. We're going to be testing this generator against some other generators. The Honda EU1000, the Yamaha 1000, and the Generac 1200. I'm going to put those 4 generators together and compare them and see what we get. We'll test all the other ones and see which one comes out on top as a 1000 watt generator. Okay guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks, and have a nice day. Bye.